ChartPrime's Breakout Boxes indicator is designed to identify areas where price has formed a clear structural boundary before a potential breakout. Instead of marking every swing high or swing low, it looks for two pivot points that align near the same level. When that alignment is found, the indicator builds a box around the area and treats it as a potential breakout zone. An upper box is formed around aligned swing highs. This represents an area where price has previously struggled to move higher. In practical terms, it acts as a resistance zone. A lower box is formed around aligned swing lows, where price has previously found support. These boxes help turn repeated price reactions into clearer visual zones, rather than relying on a single line or isolated candle. The indicator uses pivot detection to identify those swing areas. The pivot detection length controls how sensitive that process is. A shorter setting can make the indicator react more quickly, but it may also create more frequent zones. A longer setting focuses on broader swing points, but it may respond more slowly as the structure develops. Volatility is also part of the calculation. The boxes are adjusted using average true range, so the size of each zone can adapt to the market environment. This matters because a breakout zone on a quiet market should not be treated the same way as one on a more volatile market. The upper and lower box width settings control how much space is built around those levels. One of the more useful features is the volume information inside each box. As the box remains active, the indicator tracks total volume and separates the activity into positive and negative volume percentages. This gives more context around the area before price breaks out. If price is pressing against an upper box and positive volume is building, the breakout attempt may have more support behind it. If negative volume dominates near a lower box, bearish pressure may be more active. The breakout label appears when price moves beyond the active box. A break above the upper box highlights a potential bullish breakout. A break below the lower box highlights a potential bearish breakdown. The important point is that the box provides the structure, while the breakout label shows when price has moved beyond that structure. The main limitation is that breakout boxes do not confirm the quality of the move by themselves. Price can break out and then move back into the range, especially in choppy markets. Because the indicator depends on pivot structure, it also needs enough price action to form those reference points first. In practice, ChartPrime's Breakout Boxes indicator is best used as a structure and confirmation tool. It helps identify where price has built a breakout zone, how volume is developing inside that zone, and when price moves beyond it. Used with trend direction, support and resistance, and broader market context, it can help make breakout analysis more organized without being treated as a standalone signal.